Hi friend, welcome back to the Rec Trends channel. Hyundai Australia has upgraded the Venue range for the 2023 model year, introducing numerous new attributes designed to boost the experience enjoyed by owners. For beginners, all brand new 2023 Hyundai Venue designs come typical with an electronic instrument collection that can be personalized with 3 various shade style options. The South Korean auto producer has actually additionally fitted a wireless battery charger as requirement that is fan-cooled, as well as beings in a devoted recess in the facility console. Upgrades continue with the fitment of a USB-C billing port in the front facility console, as well as 2 USB-C billing ports accessible to back seat passengers. A rear occupant alert system is likewise typical, as well as functions by detecting the access of owners through the back doors opening as well as shutting. After car park and as soon as the vehicle driver's door is opened, it issues an advising chime motivating the driver to inspect the rear seats. Hyundai has additionally fine-tuned the steering wheel of the 2023 Venue, changing the design of the buttons as well as consisting of a brand new configurable personalized switch. Completing the upgrades is an electrochromatic rearview mirror for elite versions and a shark fin type antenna. The carmaker's BlueLink linked auto solution likewise comes at no cost for the initial 5 years of possession. It consists of automatic accident notification, connected routing, voice acknowledgement, valet mode, weather, calendar sync, destination send to car, last mile navigation, remote providers, remote automobile inspect, lorry health record, locate my cars and truck, as well as cloud back UPS. Australia's upgraded Hyundai Venue does not gain from the same visual upgrades made to the 2023 version unveiled for the Indian market in mid-2022. Costs start from $21,900 Australian dollars, $15,144 for the entry-level Venue with a 6-speed manual, as well as $23,900 Australian dollars, $16,527 for the 6-speed automatic. They then raise to $26,000 Australian dollars, $17,979 for the location energetic automated, as well as peak at $28,500 Australian dollars, $19,708 for the location elite automatic. Thank you for watching. See you in our other videos.